Welcome to the Pilgrim Library website tutorial. This tutorial will show you where to find all the information you might need on our website. The jacket search box at the top of the page is a great place to start if you're just beginning your research. A jacket search will search databases, the OhioLink catalog, and the DC catalog all in one search. If you would like to go directly to an advanced jacket search, you can click the link below the search box. For more information on searching for resources using Jacket Search, the OhioLink catalog, the DC catalog, and the Course Reserve catalog, please see our other tutorials. Below the Jacket Search box, you'll find the Discover Library Resources box. This box contains the Research Guides tab and a Database A to Z tab. Research guides are created by DC librarians to help you find resources in a particular subject area. You can open the drop-down menu to select a guide. For example, we'll choose the Biology Research Guide and click Go. This takes us to the guide, which contains links to subject-specific databases, journals, books, reference materials, and more. We'll X out of this page and go back to the library homepage. The Database A to Z tab allows you to access each of the journal article databases directly. You can use the drop-down menu to access your desired database. Simply press Go, and it'll take you to the EBSCOhost page for that database. From here, you can search the database directly. We'll exit out of this page to get back to the library homepage. If you'd like more information about choosing and searching databases, please see our other tutorials. Below the Discover Library Resources box, you'll find 4 purple bars. The first bar is labeled Library Links. If we click on the bar, we can access a number of useful links to library resources. You can find more information about the Pilgrim Library, book a study room, check out which books are on reserve for your classes, or find contact information for library staff. You can also make an interlibrary loan request, watch more library tutorials, or check out the DC archive. The next purple bar is labeled Research Resources. If we click on this bar, we can find additional links to the A to Z database list and to our research guides. There's also a link to information for students taking online or distance learning courses. There are also helpful links to help guide you through the research process, including citing your sources, getting started with research, and finding, evaluating, and synthesizing information. The next purple bar is labeled Success Services. If we click on this bar, we can visit the Success Services homepage, find information about FYE classes, or make an appointment with a writing consultant or a course tutor. The final purple tab has links to other campus offices that are located in the Pilgrim Library, including the AV Department, Computer Services, Esports, the Institute for Career Readiness and Lifelong Learning, and the McMaster School. If we scroll down a bit on the home page, we can find the library's hours of operation. You can click on the next arrow to see the upcoming hours. Below our hours, you'll find a button saying Reserve a Space. If we click on this button, we can reserve a space in the library for a group meeting. We simply choose the room size and the date to see what's available. We can then check the times that we would like to reserve the room and click Submit Times. After you enter your information here and submit your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email. We'll X out of this and look at some of the resources on the right side of the library homepage. Academic Writer is a tool from the American Psychological Association, which will help you format a research paper in the correct APA style. For more information about this, please check out our tutorials on Academic Writer. Also featured on our homepage is the DC Success Services events calendar and Instagram page. Be sure to stay up to date on all of the fun events happening here in the library. At the very bottom of the library's homepage is our general contact information. If the information that you need cannot be found on the homepage, you can always use the search box at the top of the page to find what you're looking for. Let's enter Testing Center. Click on the first result to go to the Testing Center homepage. Once you've found the information that you're looking for, you can always click on the Pilgrim Library link at the top of the page to get back to the library's homepage. Let's try another search for borrowing. If we click on the first result, we can find more information about the Pilgrim Library's circulation policies. We'll go back to the library's homepage for one more tip. During weekday office hours in the academic year, librarians are available for chat questions. Click on the Ask Us tab in the upper far right of the screen. If a librarian is not available, the tab will allow you to search our frequently asked questions for an answer to your question. Thank you for viewing our website tutorial. Remember to reach out to library staff if you have any questions.